Hello, welcome to the video series of Python. So up to now we have discussed most of the important parts in Python, and we have completed all the necessary parts you need to do a basic implementation of coding using Python language. So we have discussed how to do the conditions, how to check the do something using iteration, then condition checking, and how to handle with the strings, then comparison. Everything we have discussed in the previous tutorials. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss how this IO, or what we call input and output, is going to work in the Python. So basically we are going to use this keyword input. So the keyword input means that you can enter any variable or any value from user end. So if we are going to use this keyword input, that means user can input any value. So if you run this program, you can see enter a value. So if I enter 5, I will be getting output as 5. So if I run it again, if I give a value like DSHAN, you will be getting the value as DSHAN. So the thing you should remember in input, basically the value you are getting here will be a string. Why? This is an user input which is taken as a string. So if you want to convert this user input to an integer, then you can use int input. That means you are going to convert whatever the value which is given from the user to an integer value. Okay, so then if I run print type of A, then we can see we will print type of A here also. So I'll give value 5. So in the first case it is showing that classes belong to string. So why it is not converted into an integer? So if we converted the number into integer in the user input using the keyword int, then you can see the class is belong to int. So in any case, if you want a numerical value to be input from the user end, you have to use this keyword int. So if it is a normal string, then you can keep it like normal input keyword only. So if it is normal input keyword, that is belong to an string. If it is an string is converted to integer, then type become int. Okay, so this is the thing you should know, how to handle this input from user. So if we do any computations, I'll just copy paste this one. Then we can have one number like this, then a b is there, then we can give sum equal a plus b, then we can ask print sum of two numbers is sum. So if we run this one, you can see enter 5, we'll enter here 5 and 6, it will give the output as sum of the two numbers is 11. Why? These two numbers is converted into integer, so we can add integer and print the value. So this is how when you need any value from user end, you can do it. So the keyword you should use is input. So so up to now we have discussed all the basic needed things for implementation of any simple code using Python. In further videos we will be discussing some other difficult concepts in Python to enhance your knowledge. Okay, so thank you for joining with my YouTube channel. We will be discussing more awesome stuff in upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel.